Hello students, today also we are going to do some more question based on the chapter probability. Now the percentage of marks obtained by a student in the monthly unit test are given below. Unit test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 unit tests and the percentage of marks obtained is 52, 60, 65, 75, 80 and 72. Now find the probability that in the next test the student gets more than 70% marks, less than 70% marks and at least 70% marks. So now let us solve this. So first we'll take finding the probability of scoring more than 70% marks. More than 70% marks. More than 70% marks. Now there are total how many tests are there? 6 unit tests are there. So total number of tests is 6. And in how many tests he has scored more than 70%? We'll count that. We can see 1 here and 2 here and 3 here. Total 3 tests he has scored more than 70% mark. So it will be 3 upon 6 and that is equals to 1 upon 2. So the probability of getting more than 70% marks is 1 upon 2. Now the second, the probability of scoring less than 70% marks. Less than 70% marks. Now let us see how many cases he has scored less than 70% marks. 1, 2 and 3. So it becomes 3 upon 6 again. Total number 6 and in 3 he has scored less than 70% marks. So we'll cancel this and we'll get 1 upon 2. So the probability of getting less than 70% marks is 1 upon 2. Now the third we have to find the probability of getting at least 60% marks. So probability of getting at least 60% marks. It means that he should score 60 and more than 60. So here this is 60 and more than 60 will count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So at least 60% marks will have total is 6 and here we have 5 cases. In this you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the probability of getting at least 60% marks is 5 upon 6. Now let us do another question of probability. The blood group of 60 students of class 9th are surveyed and recorded as below. There are 4 types of blood group: A, B, AB, O, and there are total 60 students and the number of students are 12 having blood group A, 18 students having blood group B, 16 students having blood group AB and 14 students having blood group O. Now if a student is chosen at random, find the probability that he is a blood group A student and O blood group student. So first we'll take the probability of getting a student which is having the blood group A. So total number of students in the question is 60 and the students having the blood group A, number of students is 12. So it is 12 upon 60. So we'll divide by 12. 12 1 is 12, 12 5 is. So it is 1 upon 5. So the probability of a student selected having blood group A is 1 upon 5. Now we'll calculate the probability of student having the blood group O. We take O blood group. Now that we'll calculate total number of students is again 60 here and the blood group O, how many students are there? 14 students. So write 14 here. So we'll divide by 2. So cancel it and make it 7 upon 30. So the probability of student selected having blood group O is 7 upon 30. Now let us solve another question of exercise, that is the probability chapter. A die was rolled 100 times and the number of times 6 came up was noted. If the experimental probability calculated for the information is 2 upon 5, then how many times 6 came up? Now let us write here, let the number of times 6 came up be x. Okay, and how many times it was shown? It was shown 100 times. So in the question it is given that the probability of the 6 coming up is equals to 2 upon 5. It is given the question 2 upon 5, and the probability will be equals to x upon 100, where x is the number of times the 6 came up and 100 is the total number of trials, that is equals to 2 upon 5. So x is equals to 2 upon 5 into 100. This will cancel, this will make it 20. 2 into 20, x is equals to 40. So we can say that the number of times 6 came up be 40 times. So 40 times 6 came in the rolling of the die. Now let us solve one more question on probability. A company selected 4,000 households at random and surveyed them to find a relationship between income level and the number of television sets in a home. The information so obtained is listed in the following table. Monthly income you can see less than 10,000, 10,000 to 14,999, 15,000 to 19,999, 20,000 to 24,999 and above 25,000. So these are the number of television per household 0, 1, 2 and above 2. Now in this question it is asked what is the probability of a household earning 10,000 to 14,999 per month and having exactly one television. So we are taking the probability of the first case, and that is equals to 10,000 to 14,999. So first we'll go in this column and having exactly one television. So this column income group and one television, that is 240. So the probability will be 240 divided by total number of families that was surveyed was 4,000. So we'll cancel this 24. So we'll 8 3s are 24 and 8 50s are 400. So the probability is 3 upon 50. Now let us solve the second part of this. We have to find the probability of a household earning rupees 25,000 and more per month and owning 2 television. So they are taking the probability of the second part, that is total number of the number of televisions, that is 25,000 and above, and we'll see owning 2 television. This is the number. 760 household are having the monthly income more than 25,000 and number of television 2. So it will be 760 upon total number of families is 4,000. This will cancel. Now we'll divide by 4. 4 19 4s are and 4 into 100. So the probability will become 19 upon 100. Now let us solve the last part of it. To find the probability of a household not having any television. So this is third part we are taking, probability of third part, that is of a household not having any television. Now these are the household. Now here in this question income group is not given, so we have to take all of them. So this is, these families are not having any television. You can see 0 television written there. So 20 plus 10 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, if we add them, that will make it 30, and total number of it was 4,000. So we'll cancel this 0 with this 0. So we'll get the answer, that is 3 upon 400. So total, we can say the probability of a household not having any television is 3 upon 400.